In this video, I'll show you how to fix NA, null, and zero values in Looker Studio so your charts and reports look clean and accurate. These issues usually happen when your data source has missing or incomplete values, and while the best fix is updating the data itself, you can also handle it directly in Looker Studio. To begin, open your report and click on the chart or table showing the issue. On the right panel, find the option to add a filter and choose Create a New Filter. Give it a clear name, then set the filter type to Exclude. Next, select the field where the null values appear and set the condition to is null. This will remove rows with missing data from the visual. After saving, your chart should update and hide those NA or null values. Keep in mind that zero values are actual numbers, so they won't be removed unless handled separately. Also, filtering can affect totals and averages, so review your results carefully. Subscribe for more simple and practical tech tutorials.